Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about iPhone, and I will like to show you the way how you can create a folders that contains a lot of application displayed in your home screen. So here the folders will be this that I pick and I show to you guys. So there will be so I have a medsos folder, files folder, productivity folder, that each folder has the same application that I use with the same purposes on it. And you'll see so how the way you can create this folder. It's so simple. You just need to go tap the screen and hold it until those applications all start to be shaking, and whenever it's shake, you just need to click the application that you want to create the folder with, and then just put this application on the top side with the other application that you want to gather those two. So let's say here I want to gather and make the folder for this Google Translate with files. So you just need to tap or drag it in the top of the files, and it will be automatically give you a place or name as folder that consists these two applications. And then you just need to tap the blank space area to back into the home screen, and you are done. You can also add another application inside of this folder just by the same thing. Click and hold, the application start to be shaking, click and drag, and then just place the application into the specific folder that you want to place it. And how to take those application off, just the same, click and drag it into the outside of the application, or I mean the folder, sorry, and then place it in the specific area that you want to place it. Just the same. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy a lot about this video, and please don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.